container. Okay? Empty po siya. This container, sa isip ko, itong takip na to, pwede siyang gamitin para takpan. Which is okay naman. It's okay naman, no? It covers naman, right? It covers. It covers naman. Wala namang issue. Sa tingin ko okay siya, it's okay. But, pag nahulog, nakita nyo, church, naghiwala yung cover at yung body. Why? The purpose of this cover is to seal and protect what is inside. Okay, the purpose. But what happened is, he didn't able to give his own potential. Kasi, mali yung cover. Mali. Kasi ito yung totoong cover niya. Ito yung totoong cover. So kung maghulog man yan, hindi na wala yung head. The same purpose, the same reason, no? ng ating identity. Kaya huwag mong palitan ang totoong mong identity. Because hindi mo magagamit ang totoong potential mo or yung purpose mo sa buhay kung anong ginawa ng Panginoon Diyos sa'yo. Amen?